Yo, what's happening? What's going on? It's about to here. We're back again onto my YouTube channel. So what's going to be happening today is that you're going to be seeing last week had a profitable week, exciting week, learned a lot, also made some money. Going to be sharing with you some of the trades that we took the previous week. Not only that, but also now I've got some trades that are running. I want us to go observe and manage them. And also you can be able to see what I'm seeing throughout for the whole week on US30 on NASDAQ and also GBPJPY. I'll add it onto the reader and let's get to it. Yes, I'm going to be using our private Discord group because that's where I normally share our trades. So you can simply see this is one of the trades that we took. We sold right here after it broke out. We sold and the price went a bit up. Nearly took us out, but we're still safe. And then it shot all the way to the downside and it continued going down. That's when we share it. And this is the results of the trade. It played a bit more with us. We entered exactly here, played a bit more with us, played, and then boom, 3:30 just literally shut down. He'd take profits and we were out. And then price continued to go all the way to the downside. Né? Guys, we are now on 10,000 rands. I think I'm done. We shared it in the in the premium team trade ideas section. 10k we done, 10k we done, 10k we done, 10k we done. Killed 11,000. So that is one of the trades that we took. Let's look for the other trade. Okay, so the second one is this one here. It was on Friday, I believe. Yes, it was on Friday. I didn't want to go a bit too hard on this one. I went a bit too soft. We took a buy on US30. You can simply see after the bounce we took a buy here, and I shared it in the team as an idea. And boom, see what happened? It shot up and it literally shot all the way to the upside. Ooh. 2.5, let's push. Let us push. 3k, 3000. Share in the public team, in the premium team, I mean. Share 3k. It literally shot all the way to the upside. Okay, so I haven't got any ring lights or something like that that's gonna make me look, I don't know. But yeah, I think I'll use this for now. So yeah, what's gonna happen is that now I'm gonna be analyzing US30, NASDAQ, and also GBPJPY, so you can be able to look at me with that. And hopefully it'll be 3:30 within a few minutes from now, so I'll be able to just see if we can scale in or see if we can just grow these positions that we are currently running. We are already in profits already. I've got 2 positions that are open, so we're already in profits on them. So I'll just see if we can scale it or what's going to be needed of us to move forward. But let's jump onto it. Let's see the charts. Remember guys, subscribe, like, do all these things that you can do in order to just make sure that you're seeing more of these videos. Obviously it's for you to grow. These videos are actually done for you to grow, for you to actually receive success in the markets by yourself. So I'll see you. Let's look into US30, NASDAQ, and GBPJPY. So US30, NASDAQ, and also GBPJPY in there. Okay, let me remove gold, yeah, and also GBPJPY. So let me start off first with US30, obviously, since it's the one that we are currently in and all these things. So with US30, it's gonna be super simple. I can see the price kept on pushing upwards. And since we got here at this, we reached this high and we also reached this low. Price has been consolidating within this area here. So basically, yeah, I can tell that we are in an upward trend and this is literally a correction. So I want us to focus on what actually is going to be happening within this correction. So now the trade that I was looking at, obviously these are highs. So I was looking at this being our highest point there. So with that being said, I'll just come to let me just show you first touch here. Second touch, third touch here. So basically at first I sold today and I took just a small negative. I sold because I saw this third touch and then I saw inverted hem on the 4 hours. So I was like, obviously it would fall and go all the way down, give us third touches and then go back up. But I think price is ready to shoot all the way upwards now, which is something that we'll just have to observe. Obviously we take a message from the market. We don't just say third touch then you sell. You firstly have for the market to confirm for you. So luckily for now we are running in profits and we're able to just close just a few profits. We logged some profits. So here on the 1 hour, at first I thought price was gonna go all the way down, reach here, maybe out buy and then go up, but price actually didn't. Price literally just shut up, and now you can see with this hammer. But the next 1 hour candle is gonna direct us. We can either see from here, we can either see, this and this being rejected, this area and this area being rejected, and then price going to the downside, or we can just see price breaking above here and then just continue going upwards, which is going to be nice because this is going to be our first target, and our second target is going to be all the way up to here, which is going to be super nice. And this would be nice actually to play around with. So that's one thing that we are now looking for. Let me just go on the 15-minute time frame. Don't mind my charts, guys, they're a bit too messy. It's okay, I understand. They're just a bit, not too messy, it's just a bit too messy, but it's because we're working on them. When you're working on a specific chart, guys, it has to be messy. Okay, let me remove this, no longer valid. So what we had here is obviously first touch, second touch, and obviously now we are at the third touches here, and this beautiful hammer spike name. And then afterwards you can see what happened with this hammer, engulfing hammer right here. It broke out of structure. It's been because I actually sold somewhere here, went down with it, took profits, then went up. I think I sold again, tried to go all the way down with it, but it didn't work out. I just took a very small stop loss, and not even stop loss, I went out, and then I bought. As soon as it broke above here, it came back to retest. I'll show you how I bought. So okay, take a look at how we were able to buy. There we go. So as soon as it broke out, it came back to retest. After I saw this beautiful candlestick here, that's when I was like buy. I bought, stop loss just below here, which is very safe. I can put it below here, which I believe I did adjust it. Now it's somewhere around here. It's no longer below here. Stop loss is somewhere around here. I'll just have to observe how it moves. And you can see broke out highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. Where's the Sonia gonna go? Is it gonna break highs? We shall see. So that's what I'm seeing at US30. That is what I'm seeing now at US30, which is looking beautiful so far. So all the way up to here, all the way up to here. Okay, perfect. You can even see how it closed above here. Can even scale in more by but no problem. Let me just be humble with it. So let's take a look at NASDAQ. Okay, this one here. There we go. Same thing, guys. Just look at the 1 4-hour time frame. We have impulse correction. Obviously expecting the next impulsive move at least to these areas, boom boom. So you can see it shot up, it's now correcting, and now we are looking for that impulsive leg to the upside. Already there's one thing that I can see for the 4-hour time frame on the bigger time frame. Okay, so now coming to the 1 hour, obviously same thing, impulse. Just by having my lines here, you'd simply be able to see, okay, no, this is a valid structure, impulse correction. Now it's breaking out, so obviously there's a higher chance of us still going to the upside, possibly if you buy here, but we'll go on this small time frame to see what works out. If you buy here, keep your stop here, you are more likely to make 2.6, or 1 is equals to 2.6. So if you're investing 1,000, you are more likely to make 2,600. Ne? So this is gonna look nice, but obviously if you go all the way down to the 15 minutes and stuff, you'll be able to see that we play around with our charts. So this area, we've got just a small resistance here, and then price, obviously you can see this area here also. Price was, it's a significant zone. Price was hesitating to break here, but it actually did break above here, and also you can see the support here was the resistance here, and it broke up. So there's another indication of buy zone. You can buy somewhere around these areas. Stop loss, if you want to be on the safer side, put it below here. But if you obviously want to just play a bit more with the amount of capital that you're going to be putting on the table, you can put it here, like highs, higher, low, and then price went up. So you can put it here with the same mindsets of, see, I'm going to the 6 minutes. Let's see, there we go, with the same mindsets of coming all the way up to here, now you are making more. You are making 1:5, meaning that for every 1,000 you are spending, you are making 5.3 thousand. 5.3 thousand on NASDAQ. Super easy setup on that one. Maybe I would even execute some positions from it. I'll just see. KGBPJPY, KGBP. Make sure that I've cleaned my charts. Let's see, let's go. Okay, with this one here, let me just zoom out a bit to get the image of what's actually going on. Okay, price has been pushing upwards. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I mean higher high, higher low. So possibly price can push a bit more to the upside to give us new structures. Like even if you just take a look at this section, look at this, and maybe even if you just have this be right here, or we don't have to, you can either have it as an expanding wedge, something similar to this, or you can still even have it right here. Doesn't matter like where you have it, to be honest, guys, because someone now would be super worried about where do they place this, and it doesn't matter as long as you can get that entry here, and then you can target this being your first area, this being your second area, then you're gone. You don't have to push it, draw it in a specific way. Okay, I was able to see that support areas. So now let me just see what the 1 hour chart is saying here. So obviously you can see price here is failing to break around this area, so we're finding a zone within the structure here. So obviously we saw that we are buying, so I'm just looking for buys basically, guys. So price with this, I can already see here's our left shoulder, here is our beautiful head, and our right shoulder right here. So price left shoulder went up, head went up, right shoulder broke out, and now it's playing around here. So this trade here on the 1 hour would be fair. Someone would place an entry here, knowing that the stop loss is like literally 37 pips, targeting first area which is here 2.6%, overall target which is here 5%. Then you're out, you're done. Then you're done. That's what I'm seeing on GBPJPY, guys. You can simply see that now price is just trying to break above the highs here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just lock profits on this one here. This is my FTMR account. Just took one negative trade, but so far we're moving well. Okay, so let's just see what's happening. Okay, so we are failing to break here, but once we do break here, it'll be exciting. On this side here, we are already on 3,500 rands, yeah, 3,500, and I had profits for the day so far 1.1. So yeah, let's just observe. It's coming well. So I'll also try to lock in some profits on this one. Then we're calling it a beautiful trade session. Okay, I just updated the members here because I sent this as a stop loss at first. I mean as a signal. So I'm updating them that they can now move stops. I think we are now sorted because I saw how we broke out. So this is a chilled trade, guys. This is a chilled trade. Beautiful trade. Okay guys, so most of you guys do know that I already did sign up for an FTMO account, funded account of $100,000, but I'm just gonna continue fighting with that account up until because I want to within a few months I would love for it to be on at least $300,000, and whether it's scalable or whatever, but I just want to be able to just trade with that capital and then see the numbers that I can make on a daily basis with those accounts. So I want to take advantage of that. Whenever you can take advantage of something, you better do. So one thing that I decided to do is that obviously now we have the signals that are going to be coming back in the 2.0, the 3.0 signals, just signals on its own. So each and every trade that I'll be taking on my FTM account, each and every trade that I'll be taking personally, I'm going to be sharing all those signals. So you just watch out for whenever we do launch, which is the first week of May, somewhere around then. When you do launch, then you'll be able to just experience all these trades with me, as you did see with the US30 trade that we did share, and we're able to log in profits and all those things, which is amazing. And yeah, but I think that's just it, guys. So thank you for watching. So Mutupi always here to make sure that you receive the best knowledge that you can. when it comes to the forex, the currency market, and just making money, being able to move forward in life. I'll see you on the next video.